Are you a short fuse or cool cucumber? Let's learn 5 personality idioms and phrases that reveal your emotions.
Number 1. Wear your heart on your sleeve.
It means show your emotions openly. Example, she wears her heart on her sleeve. You always know how she feels. Number 2. Cool as a cucumber. It means very calm, even in stressful situations. Example, everyone was panicking, but she stayed cool as a cucumber. Number 3. Have a short fuse. It means get angry very quickly, be easily irritated. Example, be careful what you say, he has a short fuse. Number 4. A soft spot for someone or something. It means feel a special affection or weakness for someone or something. Example, he has a soft spot for stray animals and always feeds them. Number 5. Heart of stone. It means seeming unemotional or not affected by others' feelings. Example, he ignored her tears like he had a heart of stone. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.